Do you want to pass JLPT N5? Have you failed miserably in getting the JLPT N5 certification? Have you tried every tip and trick, but nothing really worked? There are several courses you find online that you cannot afford. Even worse, they are so lengthy that learning Japanese gets boring for you. Therefore, you need a super short yet concise course packed with proven frameworks and templates offered by someone who has been in the trenches for a long time. That's where I come in. Hey, I'm Chris, the creator of JLPT Tutor. I have covered the path of 10 years of Japanese learning with JLPT N1 certification. Now, I'd love to help everyone who wants to take JLPT N5 or upgrade their score, or even those who tried but couldn't get through. So I've reverse engineered everything I've learned over the years and created a prep test course, The Expert Secret, to help you ready for the test in just 3 hours. In this course, you'll get super short, quick video lessons for grammar section, Anki Deck 800 words in the Japanese vocabulary, quick video lessons for all vocabulary with example sentences, Kanji Master Textbook for JLPT N5, proven techniques and strategies to help you pass JLPT 5 easily. And the best part? The language in the course would be both English and Japanese. Don't wait to join me to get JLPT N5 certification. See you in the lesson.